Done. I'm using the pen to mark the washer. So I'm putting on this side a plus to indicate that's the thicker side, and a minus here to indicate that's the smallest one. Thin side minus, thick side plus. And that's it. There's only two of them. Okay, so spring washer, eccentric nut. That's it, and M5 nut. Okay. Boom. Washer. Eccentric nut. Right direction. Nut. Then screw wheel. Double washers. ABS spacers. Some people say that the fact we're putting two washers on this side as opposed to only one on the other side means that we won't it won't be symmetrical. But I think the second washer is here to compensate for the difference in height between the ABS spacer and the nylon nut, and that the washer does indeed make the assembly symmetrical or symmetrical. Done. Longest screw. Washer out of the way. Boom. Double spring washer. ABS spacer. There we go. And the nut. And that's nearly done. We just have to add the screws and T-nuts on the other side. Oh, and the pulleys there. Okay. So we are using M5 by 25 for the pulleys and M4 by 10 for the T-nuts. Okay, so pulleys go like so. So there's no washers. No, sorry, no spacers. Okay, screw, spring washer, M5 nut, certainly feels weird, pulley, nylon nut. Okay, we'll see how that goes. That. Pulley, nylon nut. Good. So we've got 4 screws remaining plus 3 T-nuts because I used one of these for my aluminum profile earlier, and I'm trying to reuse the one from earlier on this part. We'll see if it works. If not, I'll have to order some T-nuts from China or something. Wheels on this side, screw. Do I go washerless for these? Since I'm having issues with the T-nut, I'm a bit reluctant to use washer because that reduces the number of threads the nut is screwed, but we'll try with them, and if it doesn't work down the line, we'll remove them. That's a weird exercise, mounting something, talking to yourself. Since I don't see the camera, I don't feel like someone is watching me. I feel a bit crazy. Okay, done. We do have some spare parts, but we'll see what to do with those. Let's test fit it. If the instruction is right, it should go just like so. But then again, the instruction has been known to be wrong sometimes. No, that's it. That's it. Job done then.